¿Quién habla?
Jefe, me descubrieron las pistas secretas.
Maldita sea. Haga frente, voy para allá.
No, eat it. Chicken is chicken. No, chicken.
Pizza. Con el boxer,
What up, David?
No, de verga, a mí ahí. Andamos con el boxer.
No soy de Sanchoco, yo le digo que
Serge, what up?
Con el boxer ahí. Entrando a toda la gente de 10 años. Es como un flow member.
Racketeering, no le puto, la verga.
No,
Get the trucks, get the trucks.
they're gonna get you for organized crime.
Hey, what up, man?
What's up? We're over here having a picnic with all the homies. Swift.
Table. See that? See that?
Serge, you want to do any shout outs to the niggas in Cali?
Yeah. Hold on, real quick. Hold on. ¿Ya eres al traveso?
Traveso, what up, man?
What's going on?
Chilling. Serge, you want to do any shout outs, man?
Did you get the whips already?
Yeah. So where we at right now?
Doing a little picnic, little barbecue picnic.
In what state?
Take those motherfucking plates. Those plates will tell you right there. You know what I'm saying? We brought a couple of the whips. Nothing too, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. But we out here, man. Shouts out everybody from Cali, Arizona, Hawaii, fucking. Where else we got people?
Texas?
Oh yeah. Shouts out to Texas. The whole Swift family, dude, for real. And then out here, dude, we're trying to bring this shit back, really get this shit cracking out here. We fell off for a little bit, but we're coming back for sure. You know, this is just a little sample, nigga, little sneak peek of what we're doing. 30s.
What you got on your blue truck? Let me see.
You know what I'm saying? So just a little sneak peek. But
what's these right here? What size are these?
30s, nigga. Tamaño pito. You know what I'm saying? So we out here just doing a little something. And
what club is it? Swift?
Look at that motherfucker right there. But shouts out to every nigga in Cali, man. Vegas, yo, Paisa, fucking Albert, Stun Obama. Everybody. Purple Kush, my nigga Blue Lagoon. The nigga Blue Lagoon's been with me since day one. So, shouts out to that nigga, man. For real, Blue Lagoon, nigga, good looking out. And that's it, man. A little sample of what we got, but that's it.